Good morning, children. Welcome to social science class. Today we will learn about topic tools for different types of work from lesson work people do. We live in a society and depend on each other for many things. We all have different needs. In order to meet our needs, we must work. We depend on different people for the different types of work they do. Carpenter. Carpenter is a person who makes wooden furniture and sells. Saws, screws, hammers and nails are used by carpenters. Saw to cut wood, screws, hammers and nails to join pieces of wood together. Usually skills are passed from one person to another person in case of carpentry profession. Means carpenter learn how to do carpentry from his ancestors. Doctor. Doctor is a person who treats ill people. Stethoscope, injections, knives, scissors and thermometers are used by doctors. Stethoscope to listen to the heartbeat, syringe to give injections, knives and scissors for operations are used by doctors. To become a doctor, you need to study at least 5.5 years in a medical college. You need to write the exam. After giving exam, you can practice as a doctor. Electrician. Electrician is a person who fixes the electric wires and repairs fuse in bulbs. Pilers, cables, cable cutters, screwdrivers, testers, duct tape, plugs and switches are being used by electrician. Electricians are trained under a person who will be their ancestors. Usually skills are passed from one person to the another person. Weaver. Weaver is a person who weaves cloths. Looms and spinning wheels are used to weave cloths. Usually weavers learn the skills from their ancestors. In this case also, usually skills are passed from their ancestor to the children and their grandchildren. Tailor. Tailor is a person who stitches the cloths. Sewing machine, scissors, needle and threads are used to stitch cloths. Usually skills are passed from one person to another person. But nowadays some schools are training for a tailors as well as electrical persons like electricians, professional colleges like diploma colleges. Potter makes a pots. Potter's wheel and carving tools are used to make a clay pots. Usually skills are passed from one person to another person. Architect. Architect is a person who designs a building, who gives a layout for the buildings. Drafting board, rulers, compass, pencil and tracing papers are the things used by architect. Architect people are usually trained in a college minimum 5.5 years. After getting a degree, they will practice as an architect. Teacher. Teachers teach in a schools, colleges and universities. Teachers usually use paper, chalk and board, but nowadays everything is digital, so teachers are using technical things like a digital boards, computers, laptops. Trained in a colleges, teachers has to get training in a particular college for around 2.5 years, 2 years. Then they will be assigned to a particular schools as a teacher after getting through an exam. Chefs. Chefs are the persons who cooks in a hotels and restaurants. Pots, pans, knives, peelers, mixtures and grinders are used by chef for cooking. Nowadays, chefs are also well trained in a particular college. After studying for a minimum 4 to 5 years, they have to pass the exam. Then they are getting a degree as a chef. Then they can practice as a chef in a renowned hotels and restaurants. Cobblers. Cobbler is a person who mends shoes. Needles, thread, leather, glue and hammers are the things used by cobblers to mend the shoes. Usually, skills are passed from one person to another person. Cobbler learns the skill of mending the shoes by his ancestors. So these are the some professions where people can go through colleges to get degrees, pass the exam to get some particular profession, and some professions do not need any type of a course. They learn the skills from their ancestors. Some people are paid very well like doctors, teachers, engineers, architects, but craft skills people like weavers, cobblers, potters finds it difficult to earn enough money from weaving, mending shoes, etc. Especially weavers find difficulty to earn enough money from weaving as the thread is becoming very costly, and they do not find people who can buy these saris at a good price. Instead, shopkeepers from the city buy them from these people at cheap prices. Many weavers from villages have moved to the cities in search of other jobs. The next topic we are dealing to women in a different jobs. Nowadays, women are free to move anywhere, can do jobs according to their skills. In earlier times, women were expected to do only housework like looking after the family, cooking and serving food. For many years in India, jobs in the army, air force and navy were only meant for men. In recent times, Indian women have joined the army, navy and the air force. It is important for women to be allowed to do different kinds of jobs. A society can only progress when both men and women are treated the same way in a given the same chance to study and work.